So today's video, I have this Misono UX10. It's a 7-inch chef knife. I haven't used it for a few years now. I've gotten it back many years back, but I was trying to compare this to the Civivi Cibus and 14C28N. This Misono UX10, well, on the label it's the EU stainless steel, so it's technically unknown, but on the internet it does say it's supposedly 19C26 or 27, so that's why I was kind of comparing it to it. But I probably didn't, it wasn't as sharpened as it wasn't as dull as I thought it would be, so it was easy for me to do it on a 100k stone, because I was thinking, like, trying to compare on how easy it was to sharpen. Either that this steel is just really soft compared to the 14C that's closer to 60 HRC, and this is probably closer to maybe 58 or maybe even lower. But either that or, like, I just didn't, it's not dull enough and as a comparison. But I did sharpen this in just roughly 4 minutes, maybe like 3 minutes 45 seconds on a 1k stone without going to a 220. So the other thing is that this is on an asymmetrical bevel. It's roughly 80 20, 90 10, depending on who you ask, I guess. So I mean, I still like the steel when using it, but I'll probably need more time from using this steel, the 19C28, sorry, 26 or /27, or whatever European stainless this is, versus the Civivi 14C28N. So this one was a pretty quick, just doing it straight on the 1000 without going on to any lower grit. And might be because of the asymmetrical grind, because it really doesn't take too much on when I flip to the back, where it's the bevel is much smaller. It doesn't take much to bend the steel over. So thanks for watching this video, everybody.